Hi, my name is Anna, and today I'll be reviewing this XL-3 Extra. So something I enjoy about this product is that it kind of gives you the overview of everything you would want to use it for. So that's something I enjoy about this product, is it gives a good description of different symptoms that I may have going on. Something else I like about this product is that they're really easy to pop open. So as you can see here, it's just a little push out thing that I can push straight through the back, so it's not hard to get out. Something else I enjoy about this product is that it just comes with 12 capsules, so that makes it useful for myself. So overall, I think this product is a really good product and really does suit my needs. Thanks.